Hello, my name is Matt Yoxick, and I'm going to be talking with you today about normalization. This is for Teaching Diverse Learners, Project 3, Matt Yoxick for Miss Baldwin. Normalization. What is normalization? I'm going to be talking about the definition, and then I'm going to talk about the major components of normalization, meaning equality, common humanity, and the integration, and some of the normalization applications. Normalization. The text introduces and states that normalization means making available to all persons with disabilities or other handicaps patterns of life and conditions of everyday living which are as close as possible to, or indeed the same as the regular circumstances and ways of life of society. That's our text, Galnick and Chin, 2017, page 152. Then the second definition I liked was it's a philosophical commitment to the common humanity of people with developmental disabilities, a theoretical rationale for their integration, and a practical blueprint for achieving greater equality by enhancing their social status. So one thing we got to keep in mind is that there's laws on normalization. In 1975, Education for All Handicapped Children Act offered a federal guarantee of free public education to all children with disabilities for the first time in U.S. history. This was from Rhodes, Jeffrey Fisher, Oliver Adelstein, and Patricia in 2007. But the Education for All law turned this act enacted as the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, called IDEA, as amended in 1997. Normalization. You got to change the physical location, which means the entrances and exits to buildings, the bathrooms that handicap or disability students can be able to use the bathrooms. Integration, meaning that you integrate students into the classroom and into the lunchroom as much as possible. And then even the personal affiliations, being that students with disabilities talk and affiliate with teachers and other students. The references that I used was Golnick and Chin, which is our textbook, Normalization as retrieved from the University of Oregon, and then the third is the Rhodes, Jeffrey, Fisher, Oliver, Adelstein, and Patricia website, being the 25-year history of IDEA, which is the law on disability.